Hi, my name is Melanie Steer, registered dietitian and diabetes educator with HCA Mountain Division. Managing diabetes is hard enough without coronavirus and earthquakes. I'm here today to talk to you about an idea that will make things a little bit easier with just a bit of preparation, a diabetes disaster kit. Some important items to keep in your diabetes disaster kit: important information such as your healthcare providers, their phone numbers, a list of your prescriptions in detail, what you take, when, how much, and important phone numbers of friends, family, and coworkers. Supplies that you should keep in your diabetes disaster kit include things to use to test your blood sugar, such as a glucometer, testing strips, lancets, supplies for your continuous glucose monitor if you're using one of those, and extra batteries. We also want to include at least a week's worth of medications for diabetes and the supplies that you would need to administer them, such as syringes, pen needles, alcohol wipes, etc. Other items in your kit to include would be things for managing lows and highs. A great resource for putting together your diabetes disaster kit can be found at www.diabetesdisasterresponse.org. They have a complete list of items to include in your kit, a checklist that you can use to go through and mark things off and make sure that you're prepared. Finally, remember that in times of stress and anxiety, blood sugars tend to rise. So check your blood sugars a little more frequently. And if you find that you're having a hard time keeping things controlled, reach out for help. All your diabetes educators are here to help you and assist you in any way possible. Call us, we'll schedule an appointment, either over the phone or through telehealth. And remember to reach out to family and friends to talk to somebody or exercise or do some other form of stress relief such as meditation or relaxation exercises.